Good afternoon, students. How are you all? This is grade 5, your English grammar book. So, students, today we are going to continue another chapter from this book. So, open page number 53, chapter number 10, verbs. So, verbs, what is the meaning of verbs? Do you remember? Yes, verb means any work, okay? Or you can say any action. Only these two words you have to remember when you hear verbs. So, verbs means work or action, okay? Take turns to enact the words given below in front of your class. They are able to guess the word. Catch, dance, shout, pick, throw, jump, run, kick. These all are actions, right? Either you can say them action, work, or the verb. Okay, see, these all are verbs. So the above words that you explain through your actions are called verbs. A verb is a word that tells us something about a person or a thing. A verb may tell us about a physical action, mental action, state of being, what a person or thing is, what someone owns. Okay, so everything, these kind of things are called verbs. For example, I ate a banana for breakfast. Physical action. Ate means eating. We guessed the answer correctly. Mental action. Okay, because you thought about it. Whale is the largest mammal on the earth. That is a state of being. Is, them, are, these are state of being, happening something. Okay, पहले से ही जो चीज़ हो. Reena has a lovely bag. That is an ownership. Okay, has, have, had, these all are called ownership. According to their function, verbs are of two types. How many types of verbs are there? There are two types of verbs. Action verbs and linking verbs. Okay, action verbs and linking verbs. Verbs that describe activities, okay, that describe activities, action and happening are called action verbs. The action can be physical or mental. Let's eat banana. We shall celebrate Christmas tomorrow. So action can be physical or mental. So if there is any action which is related to physical activity or a mental activity, then this is an action verb. Okay, now let's see the linking verb. Verb that describe what someone or something is or is like are called linking verb. Okay, is or is like are called linking verb. For example, be and its form. Its form is am, are, was, were, be, been, being. All these kind of verbs are called linking verb. Okay, look, smell, sound, grow, keep, remain, taste, stay, become, appear, feel, estimate or judge. Linking verbs are also called being verbs. Okay, they are also called being verbs because this is starting from being now, from be, so then you can understand it. आप इसी से याद रखिएगा, ठीक है? Linking verbs are also called being verbs because they express a state of being or what someone, something or someone is like. So a linking verb is different from an action verb. Okay, it is different from an action verb because it does not really express an action. Okay, so it does not really express an action. In fact, it does what its name suggests. Okay, it links the subject with other words like a noun or an adjective in the sentence that tell us more about the subject. Okay, in the sentence that tell us more about the subject. So this is called linking verb. Radha is very excited today. She appears happy. Okay, so here students, till here I am stopping my explanation over here. Okay, now you have to do reading of this portion once again for your better comprehension. Okay, and then try to do exercise A of this chapter, which is given on page number 55. In the next one we'll be completing our chapter and we will do the rest question answers, the rest exercises of this chapter. So students, till now you have to only do the reading. Okay, you have to do the reading of action verbs and linking verbs, and then helping verb and transitive verb will be left. Okay, helping verb, transitive and intransitive verbs will be left. So we will complete this in the next turn. Till then, complete your work in your book only and have a nice day.